From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of boring alarm clocks that just don't cut it? Introducing the ABS Cuboid Multifunctional Electronic Desktop from OFCRVA, a game changer that's about to revolutionize your morning routine. This portable powerhouse is not just an alarm clock, it's a personal assistant that's easy to set up and use, even for kids and teens. With its 12-hour and 24-hour display options, you can choose how you want to stay on schedule. The ABS material gives it a sleek and durable feel, making it a great decoration for any space. You'll love the gentle touch that lights up the screen, and the real-time recording of indoor and outdoor temperature and humidity will keep you informed and comfortable. The intuitive setting button makes it easy to set the time or alarm, and the sound is just right, not too loud or too low. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The multifunctional design allows you to easily read ambient comfort, time, and date at a glance, and the compact size makes it perfect for bedrooms, wine cellars, balconies, or even baby rooms. Imagine being able to take this lightweight clock with you anywhere, indoors or outdoors, and having all the information you need right at your fingertips. The easy operation alarm clock feature ensures you'll never oversleep again, and the stress-free setup means you can focus on more important things. Whether you're looking for a basic bedroom bedside table desk gift or a reliable alarm clock for your home, the ABS Cuboid Multifunctional Electronic Desktop is the perfect choice. So why settle for an ordinary alarm clock when you can have an extraordinary one? Upgrade your morning routine today with this amazing product and start feeling super comfy and in control. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.